You're with Ali Moore on ABC Radio Melbourne.
Well, time for a little bit of Geek Club right now. Sarah Moran joins us. Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
You are co-founder of PatientNotes AI. What exactly is that?
So it's a brand new startup because most AI is brand new at the moment. So we've created in the last 3 months a technology that allows us to automatically draft patient notes or clinical notes that are used by doctors, physios, osteos, chiros, because clinical admin is something that a lot of practitioners, it's the least favourite part of their job. And so we use AI to record a session. So if you picture going to a physiotherapist, they would say, hey, do you mind if I record the session today? And we use AI to take what has happened in the session and turn it into a draft of their clinical notes so they can much more quickly and easily look at it and say, yes, that's what happened in the session. I will approve that. And then we turn it into patient summaries and medical letters. So
which they have to approve, I presume.
Correct. So it is. It's definitely about using AI to draft things, and we need a human to make sure that that draft is absolutely correct and signed off, and that we're still being a practitioner in that process. So
is it any good at doing? Well, obviously it is. Otherwise, you wouldn't have started a whole business around it. But is it actually quite good at picking up the core bits, the bits that are important?
So the way that AI works is it's really about how you program it. So how good am I at actually getting it to work, and how good are my team of amazing engineers? So we've all learned AI is out there. We've got all of these tools that are available. But what makes them work is the prompts that we use. So how are you as a user going to make the AI customized to your experience? So for us, we've really noticed that there's a curve of use where people use it for the first time and they're like, this is mind-blowing. This is just going to change the way we do things. Then you use it a couple of times, you're like, oh, but it's not perfect. How do I make it perfect? And then you change the prompts and you sort of say, well, I want it to have dot points instead of paragraphs, or I want it to capture this instead of that. And then they go, oh, it's about 95% okay. And I'm happy with that. That still saves me time, but I'm, as a human, still going to make them my notes at the end of the day. So definitely an interesting curve of how we use and adapt to our use of AI in 2023.
No, it's fascinating. And I know many a doctor, physiotherapist, or really any sort of, health expert who doesn't like wasting their time on all that admin. Sarah, nice to talk to you.
Lovely to chat.
Sarah Moran there.